G'day, good morning, how are you? I'm Edward Plant from the Business League, and I just wanted to reach out and welcome you to our breakfast that you're booked in for on Wednesday the 7th of August. So I just wanted to share with you a little bit about what's going to happen in the breakfast, how you can get the most out of it, and give you all the details. So, as I said, it's on Wednesday the 7th of August. We are a really inclusive networking community, so come prepared to meet a heap of awesome business owners. Bring your business cards, and we also have a real treat with the guest speaker for this month, Murray Dalmeda. You're probably aware of it because you've already booked his tickets, but I'd like you to have a think about what you want to ask him and what you really want to get off him during his presentation. There'll be time for questions, there'll be time for talking to a heap of business owners and some good quality networking. What I want you to do right now though is hit reply and just let me know why you're joining us at our networking event. Is it because you want more referrals, connections for your business? Is it because you want to hear from Murray? And if it is, what do you want to hear? There could be a heap of reasons, but just tell me which one is the most relevant for you. We meet at Bond Breakfast at Bond University, so that's at the University Club. And the doors open at 6:30, and there's some good networking time before that. Just make sure my head gets into the sun. There we go. Oh, there we go. And we kick off at 7 o'clock and we finish at 9 o'clock. Please come and say g'day to me and my wife Rebecca. We'd love to meet you. But if you've got any questions, hit reply below or hit reply to the email and let me know why you want to join us on Wednesday the 7th of August. See you then.